here with a new video which will fix all your preposition mistakes today. And it will help you in speaking correct English. So let's start. Let's talk about the preposition first. What preposition is all about? Well, the preposition is a small word which is placed before a noun or a pronoun to show place, time, and direction. It sometimes also shows reasons and relationships. So example is, I am in the room. In this sentence, in is a preposition. The book is on the table. Here, on is a preposition. Similarly, in the last sentence, meet me at 5 o'clock, at is a preposition. Let's talk about in, on, at first. In is used for big places and to show something inside. For example, I am in India. I am in Delhi. I am in a room. So these sentences are indicating big places. So I have used in. Similarly, in is used for months, years, and long time duration. For example, if you're talking about a month in a sentence, you will use in before month. In June, in July, in August. Similarly, if you talk about year, in 2024, I was born in 2017, and meet me in the morning. So when you're talking about time, like month, year, and long time, you will always use in before the noun. Let's move and learn about on. On is used to show the surface. For example, if something is touching the surface, we will use on. Example, the book is lying on the table. There is a picture on the wall. The car is on the road. So we will show on here for showing something touching the surface. So we have used on. We always use on before day and date. I was born on Monday. Meet me on Sunday. And we will also use before date, like Independence is on 15th of August. So these are the examples which shows where to use on. One more example. Exam is on Monday. My exam is on Monday, not in Monday. That's incorrect. Let's learn how to use at. At is used to show an exact point or exact time. For example, I am at home. I am at school. I am waiting at the bus stop for the bus. So here I have used at to show the exact point. He threw the ball at me. So I am the exact point where the ball came in. So I will use at. Now, if we are talking about the exact time, meet me at 6 a.m., we will use at here. Meet me at night, we will use at again before night. So I wake up at 6 a.m. is a right sentence rather than saying wake up in 6 a.m. I hope it is clear now. Let's move to the next preposition, to and into. This talks about a direction. So if I'm saying I'm going to the market, then the to is correct here rather than saying I am going in the market. He entered into the room is a right sentence rather than saying in the room. Why I used into? Into is to show the direction, but there is a movement also. When there's a movement from one place to another, we use into. He threw a rock or a stone or a pebble into the pond. The frog jumped into the pond. So when there is a movement, I will use into to show that movement. But at the same time, if it is going inside something, then I have to use into. So there are two things which you need to remember. Movement plus inside. You will use into for it. Let's see some more examples where we normally do mistakes. We say angry on you. That's wrong. We should always say angry with you. Are you afraid from dogs? That's wrong. We should say afraid of dogs. So always afraid of is the right word to use. He is married with her. Wrong. He is married to her. Or she is married to him. He is disappointed from you. It seems correct, but it's incorrect. It should be disappointed in you. He is good in maths or English. It is wrong. We should say he is good at mathematics or at English or at drawing. I am interested in music rather than saying on music. So these are the normal mistakes which we do while talking in English language. Let's move to the more examples. We should never use about word after discuss. So I've seen people using discuss about this issue, using this sentence, which is incorrect. It should be discuss the issue. Let's discuss the issue in the meeting. We never use back after the word return because they have a same meaning. So we should use return only. Similarly, repeat again is wrong. It should be, could you please repeat the question? Could you please repeat the answer? This is the right way of using word repeat. Similarly, order for a tea is wrong. Order tea for me. That's right. Now let's see some examples. She's angry on me. Wrong. She's angry with me. It should be angry with me always. Married to her. He is married to her is the right sentence. I am waiting for 2 hours is the right sentence rather than using since. She is afraid of dogs is the right sentence. Let's discuss this topic. I live in Delhi is the right sentence. He is good at English is right way of saying. He depends on you. She is married to a doctor. I went to school. So these are the normal mistakes we do while using prepositions. Let's do some exercise here. She is afraid of dogs. I live in India. He is good at mathematics or maths. We will meet on Monday. She is angry with her brother, not on her brother. Let's see 3 more examples which are given here. You have to find out the mistakes or errors here. She is married to him. I am waiting for 2 hours. He discussed the problem. So remove about. Well, my video ends here and I have discussed the main prepositions. I hope you would love this video. If you like it, don't forget to share, subscribe and like this video. Till I will meet you next time with another video. Till then, bye and enjoy your day ahead.